How to turn off automatic updates in your Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn off automatic updates in your Windows. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is head over to your search bar and then simply search for services. You will find services right here and open that up. Now, after you hear what you'll need to do is you'll simply need to search for Windows Update. Now, all of these are arranged in alphabetical order, so you can find Windows Update really easily. Just search for the Windows section right around here, and from here you will find Windows Update. So after you find Windows Update, it's right here. Double tap on it, and Windows Update properties will load up. So this little tab, after you open it up, you will see the startup type for it. You can expand on it and there you will find disabled option. Simply disable it, and after you've done that, head over to the recovery option. Now, here on the recovery option, after the first failure, make sure that you set it to take no action. After you do that, tap on apply and then tap on OK. I'll just cancel this because I do not want this setting. And after you've done that, you can restart your computer once and you're basically good to go. That is how you can turn off or disable automatic updates. Thanks for watching guys. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below and stay tuned for more.